Welcome to our instructional video on solving the problem x squared plus 18x plus 81. In this video, we will guide you through step by step on how to solve this quadratic equation. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the quadratic expression x squared plus 18x plus 81, we begin by attempting to factor it. In step 1, we look for two numbers that multiply to 81 and add to 18. Notice that 9 times 9 equals 81, and 9 plus 9 equals 18. Therefore, we can rewrite the expression as x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 9. This gives us the factored form of x squared plus 18x plus 81. In step 2, we observe that x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 9 is the same as x plus 9 squared. This means that our expression can be simplified to x plus 9 squared. Since we have successfully rewritten the quadratic expression in its simplest form, this is the final step. Our solution is x plus 9 squared. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.